Last session, that is 19 April 2021, Mr. G.K. Rao, Administrator of TTDC, has been appointed to conduct or an affirmation to the newly elected members of the District Council. This is in pursuance to the provisions of Rule 166, Rule 1 of the Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Constitution, Election and Conduct of President Rules 1985. Accordingly, I will be calling elected members as per serial as notified by the State Election Commission in the Tripura Gazette. I do request Mr. G.K. Rao to administer the vote. Now I am requesting as per serial of the notification published in Tripura Gazette. Sri Bobo Ranjan Riam, Constituency Damsora Jongpur ST. I call upon Mr. Bobo Ranjan Riam to come over here and take off the office of secrecy.
Mujam Bobo Ranjan Riam, Tripura Songlo, Muluk Baithang Naikota, Angkor, Hausa, Nopi, Adung, Mungui, Songgakma Yaguro, Aikoni Mungui, Sumai Kamui Sadao, Akrote Puyo Narugui, Sumai Kamui Sadao, Barok Idebaki, Isutu Anjar, Gerangmo, Puyo Tugubi, Barok Mungui, Ang Bakragui, Pemani Samuno, Habi Kubai, Angai.
Riangno, Disha Bai,
আর উনি একটু সাইড করতেন উনি
Bonkai, Nazaka, Botabo, MDC, or taking half, meaning Botabo to the chair of Hamasudi. Next, Sini duta session gumabun boy, election to chairman, election to chair. Ade, so bisis komenaya, tabo angkobogo Srimoti Swapnarani Das, 2 Mas Mara, Srimoti Swapnarani Das, Aya. Then I can proceed to next year. Sri Soilendra Nath MDC, Dosda Kanchanpur. Sri Soilendra Nath MDC, I think Tana. So then next year, Sri Bimol Kanti Chakma for Koramsora ST constituency. Next, Siret is Sri Khomso Kumar Tripura, 5 Samunu ST constituency. Next year, Sri Chandroy Das. Next, Sri Dhirendra Dev Burma, 7 Damsura Kochusura ST constituency.
Mujan Dhirendra Dev Burma, Tripura Sangha Muluk Baitham, Naikolja Khankor, Koksap Nokni Adong Ungui, Chongjakma Yakulo, Kaikurni Mungui Sumai Tangui Sajau, Khakura Kepoitu Nargui, Sumai Tangui Sajau, Bharot Ilembakni Bisingkri, Khazak Kerongno Oito Kubui, Dei Horok Bomoi Ano, Bokzagui, Tongmani Samunu, Kabai Kubai Tangai.
Sri Bhumika Nandorian, 8 Ganganagar Gandasura ST constituency. Bhumika Nandorian. Then to next year, Sri Ananta Dev Burma, 9 Harahali Ashram Bari SC constituency.
Ang Musang Ananta Dev Burma, Tripura Sunduk Muluk Baitham, Naikolja Khankor, Koksap Nokni Adong Ungui Chongjakma Yagulo, Kaikuri Mumbai Sumai Tangui Sao, Kok Rakhai Kuitu Narawai Sumai Tangui Sao, Marotni Elan Bak Tui Bising Tui Khazakma Rakma Kuitu Kubui Te Khorok Bombay ang Bokjak Tongmani Samunu Kabai Kubai Tangai Amai.
Thank you. Abu.
আরে আচ্ছা
Aboni for the serial Kha 10, Sri Olimes de Burma, 10 Kulai Champawar ST constituency. I call upon Sri Olimes de Burma.
Macan Oliver Deborma, Tripura, Tipra, Muluk, Baithan, Nikolzak, Hankor, Kokzak, Nokni, Ado Mungri, Zongjak Mayagulo, Kaitorni Mungri, Samaitani Sajau, Khagrakhe, Witunaradi, Samaitani Sajau, Harod, Elembadni, Jishinte Khazak, Karono, Witu, Gugui, Dei, Khorok, Omui, Ano Bokjagi, Tongmani, Samuno, Kabai, Kubai, Tane.
Next serial Congo, Sri Komor Kuloi, Angulong Kobogo, 11 Moharanipur, Telemura constituency, elected MPC. Please come over and take off.
Angjan Komol Koloi Tripura Tiprasamulo Baithan Nikolzak Hankor Kokzak Nokni Adon Mungui Zongjakma Yagulo Kaitorni Mungui Semaitani Sajao Khagrakhe Buito Largui Semaitani Sajao Baro Ellen Bagni Bishiti Khaja Kerono Kanto Kuhinde Khorok Kumui Ano Bukjagi Tomani Samuno Khabai Hubai Tanai Hambai
Patak lagi tuh, apa yang botol itu?
Then to next serial, Sri Suher de Burma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat ST constituency.
Mana waktu dulu kan? Oh itu, baru.
Suhel Burma, Tripura, Triprasa, Muluk Baithan Nikolzak, Hankor Kokzak Nokni Adon Mungui, Zongjak Mayagulo, Kaitorni Mungui, Semaitani Sajao, Khagrakhe Buito Semaitani Sajao, Baro Elembagni, Bishiti Khaza Kerano, Buito Kubuiti, Khorok Bongui, Ano Boksaki Tomani Samuno, Khabai Kubai Tanai, Ambai.
Attack on the non get colors. Definitely.
Next serial 13, Sri Robindra de Burma, 13 Shibna, Tomapuri ST constituency. I do request Robindra Deborma and Musa Robindra Deborma, Tripura Shamlo, Baitan Naikolza, Hankor Koksab, Robdi, Adam Mungui, Jongjakma Yaglok, Aikoni Mungui, Samai Tangui Shazao, Kakrak, Ke, Otunargui, Samai Tangui Shazao, Barok Elemarni, Bishingui, Kazak Kerono, Oto Kubui, They Kakrak, Borok Mungui, Ano, Bokzakui, Omani, Samno, Kabai, Kubaino, Tangai. Next, serial 14, Sri Runel Deborma, 14, Bujjong Nagar, Waki Nagar, ST constituency.
Adam Mungui, Jongjakmaya Gulo, Kaitoni Mungui, Semai Tangui, Sajao, Kakrak, Pointonargi, Semai Tangui, Sajao, Baro, Elembaki, Isingui, Kazak, Kerono, Pointo, Kubui, Borok, Gomui, Ano, Kontagi, Tomani, Samuno, Kabai, Kubai, Tanai.
Then my next serial is 15, Sri Jagadish Deborma, 15, Jirania ST constituency.
Ang Jagadish Deborma, Tripura Mulu, Baitan Naikolja, Hankor Koksab Robni, Adong Mungui, Jongjakma Yagulo, Kaitoni Mungui, Samai Tangui Shazao, Kakarake, Otunargui, Samai Tangui Shazao, Baro Elambaki, Bishingui, Kazak Kerono, Kujukubui Tai, Korobomui, Ano, Bokzakui, Tomani, Samuno, Kabai, Kubai, Tangai.
Above serial 16, Sri Chittoranjan Deborma, 16, Mandai Nagar, Pulmute, elected Nha, Bob, Hapona, Kobugo, Oro Paish, Sopot, Managan.
Ang Mucham,
Ang 무장 지터는 보마 리브라 성도 바이튼 나이콜자 칸콜 koksa 마피 아동 능의 정작마야로 가이드를 능의 스마이 당의 사자고 다 그렇게 보이고 나르의 스마이 당의 사자고 바로 엘렌 마크니 핑크의 타자 대량로 보이고 부부이 대 걸어 보면 아노 복작의 건만이 샤무노 가바이 부부이 당가
Above serial 17, Sri College de Burma, 17, Pikwarzola, Sonme Joy Nagar, ST constituency.
Hutan, Angsan, College de Burma, Tiprani Tiprasang, Mulong Baik Maikocha, Hanko Koksa Mokni Adon Kongri, Somra Maya Bulo, Kaitan Mungi Shimai Tanish Hazawa, Kak Rakar Utanagi Shimai Tanish Hazawa, Marapela Bakni Chinte, Kazak Kerana, Wito Kudutai Korok Bumi, Ano Boksagi Tamanis Hamunya, Sabah.
Then serial 18 में 18 Takarjola, Jompujola, ST District Council constituency. I call upon Sri Prabhu Vikram Kishore Devarman to come over and to take on
Ang Bujang, Radio Vikramanikya, Ibraha, Ibrasa Mulut Baithan, Michael Jack Angkor, Kokchak, Makni, Adam, Mungui, Jamjakma, Yagulu, Kaidorni, Mungui, Sumai, Tangui, Sajawo, Kak Oito, Narangui, Sumai, Tango, Sajawo, Harut, Elam Bakni, Besutui, Kakjak, Kerangno, Uito, Kubui, Play Korak, Kumui, Ano, Bokjagui, Tongmani, Samungo, Kabai, Kukai, Angnai.
ওই অলোক দেব
Next serial is 19 Sri Umar Shankar Devarman, 19 Anturi Gulagati ST constituency. Anggota Umar Shankar Dangis Hado, Hak Rakyat Kutular Bersama Dangis Hado, Barat Telah Makni, Singkir Kazak, Keranglo, Kudu Kubu Itek,
허락 몸의 아마 법사의 동원이 사고로 가발 포가에 가라.
সিরিয়াল 20 সিরিয়াল 20 তঙ্গ পূর্ণচন্দ্র জমাতিয়া 20 কিলা বাপমা একটি কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সি
Ang Purnachandra Jomatia, Tiprasa Muluk Baitu Naikojak Angkor Koksa Mawni Adon Ui, Songjagma Yagulo, Muntai Mungui, Samai Tangui Sadau, Kha Grakhe Donaragui, Samai Tangui Sadau, Barot Elembak Ni Bisingui Kazak, Elono Koito Kugui Day, Korok Bongui, Ano Bokjagui Tomai, Samuno Khabai Kubai Ane.
And serial 21 Sri Somrat Jomatia 21 Maharani Chelagang ST constituency. Then next serial 22 Sri Padma Luchon Tripura 22 Kathalia Mirza Rajapur ST constituency. Luchon Tripura Then serial 23 Sri Sodagar Toloi 23 Ompinagar ST constituency.
Naikojak Angkor Koksa Mawni Adon Ui, Songjagma Yagulo, Kaitoni Mungui, Samai Tangui Sadau, Kha Grakhe Donaragui, Samai Tangui Sadau, Barot Elembakni Bisingui Kazak Elono Koito Kugui Day, Korak Bomui, Ano Bokjagui Tomai, Samuno Khabai Kubai Ane.
Serial 24 Sri Rajesh Tripura 24 Raima Valley ST constituency ni.
Tiprasa Muluk Baithang Naikojak Angkor Koksa Nokje Adon Ungui Songjagma Yagulo Gaitolui Mungui Samai Tangui Sadau Kha Grakhe Donaragui Samai Tangui Sadau Barot Elembak Ni Bisingui Kazak Elono Koito Kugui Day Korok Bongui Ano Bokjagui Tomai Samuno Khabai Kubai Tangai.
Then serial 24 Srimati Dhori Riang.
Srimati
I, Srimati Tolilia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Kazakhstan.
শপথ নিলেন দাবি দিলেন
Then
দেখতে পাচ্ছেন
serial 26 Siskonji Brian 26 Bichandranagar Orosi constituency 89. Yeah. Then next serial number is 27 Sri Devaji Tripura
Mutan
Anjan Devoji Tripura Tripura Sabulok Baikan Naikolzak Hangkor Kokjak Nokni Adam Ongui Jongjak Mayagulo Kaidoni Mongui Sumai Tangui Sajago Ka Gerake Uitu Naragui Sumai Tangui Sajago Bharatni Elembakni Bisintui Kajakjak Gerarno Uitu Uitei Khorok Bomui Ano Kokjagui Tongmani Samungno Khabai Khokbai Tanai Ambai
Above serial 28 Sri Bongjong Mok 28 Shirashuri Monopongpur SC constituency of Haryana যিনি ফার্স্ট সেশনে oath taking ceremony of elected MDC so 18 জন oath taking dikha. This is a wonderful opportunity for me and also a privilege to congratulate all elected MDC for successful oath taking and being elected to 8 district council election of DTAs. I also thanks all of them for rendering their cooperation. I also thank our administrator and officers of DTADC and also staff for extending their help for organizing this oath-taking ceremony. Rule 171 of Tripura Tribal Areas of Autonomous District Council, Constitution appointed by Governor to preside over the election to MLC. Then Chairman officer to try OMDC আসমানি জায়গা পুলিশ শিল্প আসমানি জায়গা খালি থাক যারা পুরো খালি জায়গাও আসমান পাশে
কুন্ডা ভোটিং এর দিন